want to talk to you. You all right?
You all right?
Yeah, man. Yeah,
I want to
man.
talk to him about now.
Me see certain things are going. Me not come in your business, you know. And me no want come in your relationship. But me is your mother. And when me see things not right, me must can talk to you. Not true?
What is the problem now?
Me not really like the way you deal with him, you know. And me I hear certain things and him I come and I tell me say, all when him dep on toilet seat, Kayla. It could never be true. All when him dep on toilet seat and yeah, call him. Trim the answer, you go and bust him pan toilet. I saw you love the smell of shit. I lie.
Woman,
You
do not love the smell of shit. That's not the point.
I joke me here, right? You could never be that possessive over a man.
I'm explain something to you. See what happened to you? Now happened to me. You understand? Me no ramp with my love. So put that in your head. Because if me tell you, me go in the house. In the toilet, right? Me I call him. Me not hear, so me kick down the door if you see where am I doing. Yes. Me kick down the door. What is the problem?
Jesus Christ. I saw you itch over, man. I saw you itch over, Davy. You're gonna make Davy make you go mad. What kind of foolishness you there, pan Taylor? Kick down what door? All right, look, panic on the money side, eh? Yeah, me proud of know how I try to make life, eh? You kick down bathroom door. A Hawaii 5-0 your name? Eh? A Hawaii 5-0 your name?
Yes.
Kick down door for what? Emergency? You need go and go toilet. A belly did I run.
My belly in the earth.
So we are kick down your toilet door for who go fix it back? What kind of foolishness you really depend? When me hear them, the things we say, no, sir. I need that.
Woman, me not eat that like you remember how you make David, you remember how you make Daddy cheap on you?
Me make your father cheap on me?
You not go find woman in the car where you buy.
Me not make him do nothing.
And who make him do it?
But me know how to deal with him though. Me deal with him. Me drive the car still. He can't drive nothing. Me deal with that when it happen.
See that moment you mash up the car now. Girl. No, I walk, me I walk. You see how I'm gonna cock up my foot on the dashboard? You gonna mash up the car like you know no sense.
Kayla.
What is the problem, mommy?
Davy is a good boy. Me no see him run round like them idiot boy them and them scammer youth out the street. He have a good man.
I saw you feel.
Eh?
I saw you feel.
Him love you more than you love him, you know. The way me see it, him love you more than you love him. The things me see that you do for you. And put up with, me wouldn't put up with, you're gonna run him, Kayla.
Me not running him.
You're running it. Think about, all right, put it the other way. How you would feel if David do that to you, eh? Kick down door when you, imagine you use the toilet and him come kick down door. I mean, know how your head hot already. You come head hotter than mine and my head hot from morning. Him kick down the door, pine you on the toilet. What you would have do? You would have to find Rockstone, bust him head. Me know you.
Mommy, you see how me beat him at daytime and nighttime, and some would have beat him if he think him bright and do that.
So you wouldn't put up with the girl, so what you think had a man him name, you know? How you think man I go put up with that? You have a good man and you go run him, then you go come and ball, so you're lonely. Think about it, kill a man.
Let me explain something to you, mommy. You see if I pick up a man and I love him, me still a beat him. If me pick up a man and me don't love him, me still a beat him, because no man now come beat me like I used to get beaten from daddy.
Beat from who? From daddy? Your daddy licked me one time and me shot him a box and piss up himself.
Well, you lucky
and his name put him on who?
Me not tap beat him.
No.
If he tell me say he left work 5 o'clock, 5 or 3 reach, I not reach yet. Me a lick down his face. If he reach, I said tell him fuck if he reach here. Me not ramp with no man, me not give him no time at all on the road for give me bun. And the argument done.
You gotta run him.
Me not running him. You see him gone over yet?
Me don't know how him not gone. Me don't know how him not left you. Him is a good youth. You can't find them on the road no more. And God give you a good youth.
And that's why you don't know man now. Because probably if you don't beat them, they would have still there and nothing around with you.
You have to treat people how you want to be treated, my girl. As some me grow you.
And me I wear the pants.
Me not treat you with disrespect because me no want to get treated with disrespect. But you know who is who. Me is your friend. Me is your mother. Me is your sister. Me is everything. But me is your mother mainly. But we grow you for treat people how you want to be treated, girl. You are what? You are God. For look down and beat man for nothing. You give birth to him, use him mother. Use him Holy Ghost, use him God. No, you not do so.
Me no God, but me feel to say everybody a God. I feel to say everybody a God. You see, me think say you God too.
Which
because
part?
you talk about the Holy Bible.
Don't blaspheme, my girl. Don't blaspheme. Lightning will come lick you. Which part you are God?
No, me no see you dead. And the people who talk about the devil, me see them are dead.
Everybody from your born, you have to dead. That is the one guarantee in life. Everybody, nobody now come out to this alive, you know. That is the one guarantee we have, you know. Not one of we have come out to this and think our life alive. That's why you have to do good now. Because the good you do follow you. You pray for long life. And then when you get your long life, when you're old and sick, who are going to look after you when you're old and sick, eh? Where you going to get picked if David leave you? And next man leave you?
David's not the only man. And he not leaving me.
Spread faster than good.
But me son, you just chat too much. You just chat, so you chat too much. Talk too much.
I try to lead you on the right path.
Me up on the right path. Beating man is the right path.
You can't get you no want you have a good man and you don't want him.
Me tell you I don't want him?
Yeah, sure, say you don't want him.
Mommy, me tell us that me don't beat him and argument done. If you have a problem with it, you get beaten. This is not your life. Focus on your life where you don't have nobody. And not watch mine.
All right. But just remember me warn you. I mean, now me like for say I told you so. But you see when David leave you, me I go clap. Here, me I go clap. And me I go remind you this day. And me I go sing. Me now say it. Me I go sing. I told you so. Go on. You can't talk to you. You know more than me. All right. I say.
What a nice, sexy lady. Come here. Lord God, you come like a God. Say no more. Hey, if me ever hold you up on your yard, you know, mama. You tell us, me, wash your jars, clean your house, and anything there. Wash up all the dirty plate them. And me fit up on your yard, mama.
I must joke this. I joke can make, right? I don't know if no man they wash underwear just so. And when woman sick, you would have to wash underwear. You just want to wash my panties, so?
Mama, me a different human being. You can't judge the book by cover. And me feel living, you have man up there. Cause if you have man up there, man, go come out, you know.
So you well want me?
Mama, you know how long me a pray. Come like a God send you.
Alright, here one. Give me a number. We talk more upon this, cause I never see this yet. You well want to wash my panty?
I'll make sure you text me too, you know.
Me go text you.
Yeah,
no worry yourself, you go get a text.
Me know how no woman stay, you know.
And what your name?
Tibi, see there.
Oh, Tibi. Alright.
Yeah, man, just text me, you know.
So, how you want to wash my underwear and you have big icky panic? Me not understand
No,
that.
mama, you know, say, last night, me say, me dey sleep and me just feel something bite when me go some clappy. Mosquito fat.
Some mosquito gear that the big old red mark there?
Oh, you know, say, I'm a cousin put on it, style. Come to cousin put on it. Me tell me some more, so, me, everybody a chat about it, and so me single, me not a woman. Beg me cousin we put on.
Oh, so you feel so when you have icky woman, it attract it to you more?
Yeah, that's what my friend them tell me.
No play with me.
No, I mean,
but me text us still.
We don't play, man. Alright. A nice round dumpling. Give me that. In the heart.
Like I want this, you know. Me really find somebody who genuinely mean me good. I want to wash my panty. I go and text and worry yourself. Huh.
Davy.
Yeah, come.
All right, come quick. All right, my son-in-law, you good?
Yeah, man, I'm good, man. Where you going with?
All right, I want to talk to you quick and fast.
Yeah.
Missy say you's a good youth, you know. And Missy say you try. Yeah, work hard and you look after Kayla. I can see say you love her, not true?
Of course.
All right. Kayla, my daughter. I'm dead for her. I'm kill for her. But me not like how she treat you.
How she treat me?
You have to ask me how she treat you when
It
me witness she shut your box. Me witness she kick you down. No man, she me pick me and me love her, but right is right and wrong is wrong. And what she doing is wrong.
I true, man. You can't talk to her.
Me try talk to her, but her head tough.
No man, but your mother like he will listen to you, man. Tell him say when you doing alright.
Me try, Debbie, me try. You know, me think the best thing for you, as much as because me say you love her,
Yeah.
the best thing me think you fit do, pack up your bag and run. Run far.
But I because I love him, me can't left him.
But you love her more than you love yourself.
No man, me alright. If he shot me one box, me turn the other cheek and take on next one, man. He box then now, me not like that.
So you love me know you love her. So you love her more than you love yourself. You know worth nothing.
No, of course, more a lot to, but it hard.
Me know it hard, me never say it going easy. But me love you like a son. And right is right and wrong is wrong. And what she doing to you is wrong. And she not listening to me. Me know say she not gonna listen to you. And my best advice to you, my boy. And me gonna miss you. Me would miss you because me love having you around. But the best thing me can see you for do, go run way.
Yeah.
When she not the boat.
Come
you
here.
can't- Hey, what happened, baby?
No, want me. And what you run here tell him say?
Me I tell him say for line up the ring. If him not line up the ring, him for leave.
Me don't want no ring. Cause anytime a man propose to woman, they think them a man, and him is not a man, him is a boy.
He's a
not
man,
boy.
he's a man. How old you be, David?
Me 23.
Cheers, how old you be, Kayla?
Man.
How old you be, Kayla?
We are hide
I'm a big
back.
man.
Me a man.
I'm a big man. No, I'm a for hide back on me. Oh God, Kayla, you know,
Come on,
you not feel bad. Say you man, big man. I have to step away from you. So me I said to him, so maybe if him put the ring on your finger.
You really come here and say that encourage that with them that stupidness in their head?
People put ring on your finger, stupidness.
Come
Kayla,
on,
me
yes,
not
sir.
like that. Me not like that, baby. Don't do it. And don't do it
Mommy.
in front of me. That
Mommy.
is not
Mommy.
nice. Don't do it
Talk
in
this
front
one,
of
mommy.
me.
Mommy, talk this one.
Come, Kayla,
Talk
don't do that in
No,
front of me.
mommy.
That is disrespecting me.
You make your
now.
hide back like that, my
And you
man.
know, so I don't like that and you do it in front of me. Don't do that in front of me. I don't like it. Because me will do it to you. Me is a mother.
Remember say
Put
you
your
go
foot out
here.
of the face. Remember say me is your mother. Me is not Davi. Me is your mother.
Remember
Don't
say
do
she not
it.
go shave it tonight, you know.
Don't
you
do
know,
it.
long talk, you know, not only turn and waste time.
You see me, I tell you.
That's what you have to you grab the hard away.
I must see her here too, she grab.
God, just hurt me, grab me hard.
You have to chip, Debbie. You have to chip. The best thing for you, take with yourself. Me no want to see you go. But me no want to see nothing happen to you. And me no know what my daughter turn into. Think about it. Think about it. Here,
How me go run?
you have to wait till she gone out. You can't do it. And you have to make sure so she not in the house too. And she general, you know.
Who's he find me?
That's why me say you have to go she there in the west. You have to go in the east. And if you get little opportunity for run with out of the country, take it.
Me no know nobody.
All right, but go make life. You make life your success. All
Alright.
Think about.
Alright. Sorry. Oh, tired. Now I have to call bingo. Get a dumpling. Go bubbling in my house. Oh. I dumpling this I call me, you know. Sis. How do you know, sis? Sis. What one? Yeah. Yeah, man, me good, sis. You good?
Yeah, me just call you ask if me can go spend the weekend with you.
Yeah, man, sis, I can't come spend the weekend, man. Oh, God, man, sis, man, just forward. You didn't even have a call money weekend. Come, just come, and me wanna go there home.
Alright, brother.
Alright, you take care of yourself, you know.
Yeah, man.
Alright, look, come on.
What?
Say a pass, so you know, say I go live long though.
Eh?
And you can just take out my phone go call, you know.
Alright, I'm looking for no for my yard, you know.
Come like a God
So
send
you
you
how to
again.
get me? So what?
Yeah, more want to tell you now. I finally make up my mind. Me not think my brother want come at your yard. I want to come at my yard so me can treat you like a princess.
But that thing I make it me go come in your yard. What you mean, like come in your yard?
Overall, I want to come live, come stay with me.
You know, if you say that so soon and something, so me move in with you.
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that, man.
So me move in with you, what?
Treat
Cause
you like a princess. That me want to move in a me yard final. Me not think say me go feel comfortable at your yard. Yesterday me I think about it. Me finally make up my mind today.
well, if you tell you God Almighty truth, you know. Me not normally have nobody, like no man will treat me good. Like, I me dey live with one man already. And me I tell her say, I pay quarrel, fight. I want bag of drama. So, if you know, say me have somebody where would I want to treat me good, that would I really, like, really be good, me I tell you.
You know, say me not joking, man. Seriously. I love you for real. And if they are my yard, you would have comfortable and alright. Princess treatment till I get.
Alright, so, we can move in with you. No move in with you, man, but me have some things to sort out first. Like, some little bills I'm to clear up and so after that we can move in about weekend. But by the way, before we move in and so you know me have to really get to know you like in a certain aspect. I don't have any kids, right? And more want to know like how many children you would want to have. So not make we talk, man.
You know, say me tell you the truth, though. I want 20 people, but if me get 30, me take it.
Oh Jesus. So how that gonna work?
You no worry about that.
No, listen, Tibi, listen to me now. A weekly me get pay and a 16,000 and me get for my pay. That's a minimum wage. How that I go mind 20 pitney plus me?
You realize what me say? Want 20, I me get 30, me take it. So understand we maths.
Listen, not because you see me tick. No mean say me womb can't carry 20 pitney. Won't forget. No, Tibi, you're not serious. You're not serious. You're a joke, right? No, just tell me say a joke, yeah, me.
Yeah. Look like me they laugh or me they skin teeth. 20 pitney. If you can give me 30, me appreciate it. 30.
How much you want mash up me? 20 pitney or 30 pitney? By the time me reach 4. No. Analyze, I want analyze me. Talk truth. No, so this not safe. This not safe.
You know, woman will get 40, 50 pitney. And I just 20 they give me. I hear the complaints.
How much Africa that happen? And not even Africa, me sure, me no know. Me never hear of somebody in this world have 40 pitney. A history, I don't know, man. TV is alright. We figure it out when the time come. Me I come go down the road right now.
So, me can follow you and show you me house said time.
Oh, I down the road I live?
Yeah.
Alright, come on. 40 pitney.
Oh. You want to play so me I tell you about, you know. Oh.
Look how body look nice.
You want to can take a tour, man, and look around, man, and nice place, I tell you about me, show you stuff. Not some more moving your coat.
Don't worry yourself. Weekend now pass and me no moving. Me like the place of it too, cause which part me live if you ever see it. They can joke me through there. So, me a moving with your weekend, Saturday.
Alright, hurry up and move it.
So, me now have to call her, not just come.
Come.
Alright.
Don't
So,
call.
hug me up now.
Yeah, more than
Alright, here.
yeah, my dumpling that. Bubbling in my house.
Boy, son hot, man.
Mommy,
What happened?
the day you good?
There you go.
You know, somebody me say me I go see me can get something at shop or if I stretch my legs. Long time I go on the road. So, I walk on.
Nothing. Me I give thanks. Me I give thanks. There's a little breeze.
I talk to you about something important.
Of course. Listen up.
Mister,
I'll cook up on you.
okay, turn up then.
Oh.
What happened yesterday? Mommy, you see, me not like how you come in between me and David's situation. When you come in at it, you not take my side, you take Finn's side. You come in like say me and your biological daughter. Like say just pick up me at the hospital and me you push out to your home.
Okay.
Why you gonna answer?
Okay. Me can answer now?
Yes.
Okay. Now me have my picnic permission. Let me tell you something.
Are you light fire?
Me could come out of the smoke. Let me tell you something. 8 months, 1 week, 2 days, and 17 hours in a this year for. Right? If you didn't know and you forget, me tell you, you in a this year for.
Yes, mommy.
73 hours, 16 minutes, and 59 seconds it take for your big head and big nose to come out of yourself. So the next time your chest gets high for ask me if me pick you up out of hospital, remember what it take to bring you here? Right. That is number one. Me never grow you say right is right and wrong is wrong. Yes, you is my biological pick-me, yes. But right is right and wrong is wrong and what you're doing is wrong. And me not condone that. How you really figure up the people then pick me? Huh? You don't believe, say, David mother carry him for however many hours and days and months and take however minutes and months, seconds to push him out. Eh? And batter with him. Same as me batter with you. Sure, you know, pick me, you don't realize how hard it is. You never treat people some man. Ain't no good. I'm not going to condone that.
You have to understand. You see, I love me make me go on so when you train me, I train
I love that.
Yes, I'm my type. I love that, you know. Mommy, remember, you know, when me I grew up, you know, I grew up, see daddy, I beat you and I lick you down. That's what me do. I not come in a phone argument. I say now one corner. I don't even cry. You see, I know, me no want you. If you come in my relationship problem, when you see me, I'm a fight. Turn the other way.
You are pick me, and you was pick me then, and you are pick me now compared to me.
No.
So you couldn't come in and me and your father fight.
Mommy, me big and no mommy.
Right?
And this is my relationship.
But right is right and wrong is wrong. You couldn't step in then. Because the way me and your father are buff, you would have get hurt. So it was the right thing you did do when you're little.
Mommy, listen to me.
But me is your mother, and that is a disrespect to me. When you disrespect me, Kayla, in front of me, is bad enough. You do it. I mean, know about it. But you know, I do it in front of me like seminar dede. No, so that is bad manners,
Mommy.
and I will continue to step in because right is right and wrong is just wrong.
This is what I'm telling you now. Yeah, my mother, but the next time you step in on me and film conversation and film and film argument, you go and regret it because I go and punch you.
Practice now. See me out. Practice
You know,
now.
mommy.
Practice
Mommy,
now.
yes, you know, mommy.
All Mike Tyson have a practice. Mike McCallum, God bless him soul, had to practice. See me out. Practice now. Practice now. Practice now. Practice now. I want to see the day name there.
Listen to what I said to your mommy. You see how you have trained for me, whenever I've trained for that, when you kick you like a ball and a roll.
When you are hiding in the corner, the boof buff, you're here. And lick me, I'm licking back. Yes, he's bigger than me, and him lick hot. But boy, when me kick him in and you see, you can't tell me say that not hot. Mommy. Me take click, but him take click too.
Listen to what I tell you, mommy.
And if you never lick me, we wouldn't lick him. So it's the same thing if you don't lick that. What you gonna do when David lick you back? Made a clap.
David can't let him because you have a man. You must go on bad, you must talk rough.
No.
When you're not bad, you must act bad. So you know something wrong with you.
Baby.
You see when you go to the road and one girl walk past, you know say if you set your head so and walk. If you shut your eye and walk, if you want buck into him, buck into her. And me alone if you have yifa.
So tell me something. When you watch your show them on TV, and me I see you a salivate for which man and which man how him good looking. And me hear you a talk to your friend them, how him good looking. So that means Davy can do that too, because you can do that.
Yeah, man. Me alone have
Hey.
yeah, Mommy, let's see me, mommy.
You know, this conversation.
Me I go pan the road and come back,
yes.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Me I beg you do. You see, in a Fimi and Davy relationship, stop put yourself in it. I don't concern you. Please and thank you. Me going on the road.
I am letting you know here and now. I'm in a business and in a relationship. But right is right and wrong is wrong. And you see, if you disrespect me, because I'm letting you know. You see, if you put your hand on another man, and a man, a woman, and pick me, that you never give birth to, in front of me for no just cause, me I go step in. So,
and then I go step you out.
Hey! Practice.
Mr.
Callum, practice.
Me not need to practice.
Oh,
me well informed.
Me want to see the day name there. Show me the day name there. But this one I get bright and fresh to rock.
My brother.
But wait, sis.
Man.
How are you doing?
You tell me I come down.
But today on a weekend. No weekend I say.
We can't take too long to come out. We don't want to hear this. Smart you okay.
Sis. Oh God man, sis man. I tell me say I come weekend and you pop up on me just so. So you couldn't call me before you left out.
So really, you see me not to call them if you just come back.
But a weekend that me did I chat about.
Weekend for 4 times.
I mean weekend
Why
too.
you see your sister then?
Yo, anyway still you know. I tell you the truth, you know. I want woman to come here weekend. What I want to do, I want to see it and not see it.
I work now for us, so I know it's,
You understand what I'm saying? You know business if I work, you come for work, or anywhere you take it, I hear you still a stay. And I just threw you on a stranger, you're my sister. Come on, send you back home. You can come back then a weekend. And we still come go in the house.
alright.
Walk around the back door, where my last key.
Davy, where you come from?
Where you mean where me I come from? Me a big man. Me not free to go more and go.
Who you talk to?
Now you me a chat to.
And me really a talk to?
Who else me fi a chat to? Me your mother not tell us say me a big man.
And somebody else you a talk to and me a talk to?
Your mother not tell us say me a big man.
Who you talk to? Me the answer you can hear. Who you chat to?
Are you me a chat to man?
And me a chat and a chat alone?
No, I true me never hear good. Me never hear good. Me you say me a talk
Girl,
good.
take a yard for me man. Why you look for me man?
I look for your man along there, so me I go.
So look down there so they not go on now?
Take a man.
I can't keep behind you.
Look at this a girl I can teach. My brother Wallace, man, he look bad.
I must see me a car for the road, you know. Yard up on the road.
But because
We yard up on the road.
my friend make me come and look for kind call me.
Whose friend that?
Puppy Dan him
What puppy you call her for?
call me and say if me can't show him how to cook mackerel and rice. Cause
You don't know if you cook mackerel and rice,
he
Daddy.
even didn't know he wouldn't call me. No.
You left out of the yard for. We have out of the yard for. You must sit down and can't take it now. This a girl that still turn up here, sir.
Me never see your mom.
No, sir. No, this is serious.
Come sit down. What do you?
Sit down back. Sit down. You see it.
What do you? What do you? Up here run you down and walk.
No. I believe say me turn up on the road. Because me chat and you say me act like a man. Kayla come and ask me where me I come from. Me say, where you ask me where I come from? Where me I come from? Me a big man. He come like me the answer him good. I mean, he pick one switch, beat me. Me have to hold him so you know, catch you switch. I mean, he take your hand and he lick me. I want to look at one girl did I watch it. Oh God, me shame. I mean, me can't do it no
Me
more.
never tell you to lift up. Where should they know?
Me don't know why in there. Me see like him. Me not even know Cameron left him.
That's why I tell you if I have to, I should probably I call you.
Answer.
No, not answer. Tell him say you drop the phone.
Answer.
That's a good start. Tell him say you drop the phone and last the
So you
phone.
can't call me again, too.
I tell you for lift up. You alright? Nothing no broke.
No. All if you broke me, I
Jesus.
feel in a way my heart a beat fast, but
Oh God.
oh God, for true, man.
No man. That's why I tell you have to leave her. She's my pick-me and I love her and everything. But boy, she not do you right.
She not do me.
But your mother and your father, no, so your mother and father are no better but to raise you.
No, they not at two, they don't know.
Put it on silent. No, take this opportunity. Find a way. Find a way. All right. Before she come, I go get you some water.
Yeah.
And I go get you. You have any money?
No, no money for me.
All right, I go help you out. 'Cause you have to leave. You can't stand in this. It's not fair. It's not right.
Ah, thank you.
Go around the corner, make she not see you.
All right.
Oh boy. Mommy! Mommy, hi!
Hey.
Come here. Must I come off on the road? Are they tired?
Mm-hmm. Glad you come.
How are you left a chair and I saw that? See that man? How are you?
Why?
Why? Tell us you're just
A
tired.
little birdie come tell me. Me have a check if it's true first. A little bird come tell me, say, you go out a street little while and beat up Davy out a street. Are true?
Davy really going to the man?
No.
You
Me not see Davy. It's a little bird come tell me this.
Me lick him send him down here so him have to tell you.
What you looking for now?
You can't imagine. Me think of the boy in the house. Me see him on the roadside when my boy in friend Puppy. I call him. Because Puppy don't know if to cook mackerel and rice. Oh, Puppy don't know if to cook mackerel and rice. Because mackerel and rice easy to cook and Puppy can't cook that.
Hold on. The same puppy me know?
Yes.
The black youth.
With a big gun.
Man.
Yes.
Man.
Yes.
You really go to street killer. Go beat up your man. Not even over a next woman. Over man. So what you really think him be? How you go beat him over man?
Me not trust Puppy. Puppy we call him one mackerel, then go cook on a mackerel and a woman then go cook and fear mackerel. You think me around for him?
Kayla, what's wrong with you? You gonna make this obsession take over
And
your
you know
baby.
the same
You
about
have to
it
stop it, man. It's not good. You obsessed.
And I say what you do? Davy's a mama man. My friend come to me. Come make me and fist it out. I can't give him feel away about
So
it
hold
and
on.
beat him. Why not come and make fist it out?
Oh,
fist
so
him down.
that him do wrong, him not lick your back.
No, he should try.
Him should have lick your back,
He
and that's what he should
run.
do.
He should try.
So I
mommy.
fight you
Mommy,
out.
he should try
So
me
what you
thump him
talk to
down.
me, man?
He
Me
won't
not-
come here and call like him a mama. I'm a mama man.
Me not
He
understand.
should tell
Me
up and
never
tell
tell
him
you,
fight.
me never mention him name. Me tell you, say a little bird. You do it out of street. And
Who
people
else?
see.
Nobody no see more than one girl thump and look. And she shall box her. She not fear
For what?
dirty head.
For what?
She see me a chat too much thump and look for me man. Man, I want she want me man.
You possessed.
Who possessed?
You possessed.
What me thank for
Next
possess?
thing you got to turn your head to the back and vomit green. I possess you possess.
Me don't
Kayla.
possess money.
Oh God,
Me don't
no,
want to live out of the
man.
yard. They not no reason to put out the yard. Make Puppy go up on YouTube and learn how to cook. Why am I calm man out of the
You
yard
never
for?
learn how to cook on YouTube. So him phone him friend and ask him how to cook a
Outside,
what?
man.
No, sir.
When then?
No. Me is your man. And me ask when there.
And they must say
And
me
me,
thump
yeah,
him. And they must say me thump him in his face sometime.
Miss McCallum, let me tell you before. I'm gonna tell you.
And
again.
you me a
Miss
talk, man.
McCallum. Miss, move the chair out to the way. Cause you now gonna go to the street and tell people say a chair me use. I hide from you. Miss McCallum.
Mommy, I
Miss
never
Body
say.
Snatcher.
Mommy, I never say I go and thump you.
Oh.
Me say, and they say the reason why me ever they thump him. Cause look, when they know me can't find him, me come in, me can't find
Let
him.
me ask you a question.
Box
What
time,
make
man.
you not go punch me?
Yeah, my mother, me no want bad blessing take me. Me not punch you.
Oh, so it's alright not to you know, run from bad blessing because you not punch me, which
Yes.
is good.
Mm-hmm.
But you're not afraid of bad blessing for punch another woman. Another woman, you as a woman, Kayla.
What she
that
don't for
hopefully
look for
to
me
God
man for? What she don't
will
for look
bring
for me
forth
man
a
for?
life. When you bring forth to life,
Hello.
and if a man, when your baby grow up, and his or her partner take him, say you get a boy, say you get a boy child, right? And him grow up to be a man, huh? And him come and tell you, say, him girlfriend or wife, I batter him out the street over man friend. Eh?
Oh.
How you would have feel if it's your
That
son?
to my son, you know why? Because I'm me go and raise him. I go and raise him like a real big man. Not a boy
Big
like that.
man, no lick woman. That is a real big man saying a lick your back. Cause you don't see how him big and thick.
It's
One,
like
you don't see how your mother. If
It's
him
like
did ever
try.
take back, if him head chip and him lick your back or what, may I tell you from now, you know. If him head chip, one of them you day, and he lick your back, may I go find him, and you know what me I go do to him? Me I go hug him up.
Mommy,
And kiss him up. And tell him, say, about time.
Well, mommy,
As long
that
as he
not
not
go
go too
come.
far.
That not go come. Me learn from my father. Me kick him down. He should try lick me back. You won't come there like my
But
mama,
so you
man.
don't lick him.
My mama, man.
What else you have to
I
argue
went there.
about?
Wait till
Him
come
not do
here
you nothing. Huh? Him try please you.
But you going
Him
to me, I
take your
go
abuse. Go on then, man.
Take abuse. Take abuse.
It name physical abuse, you know?
The business when I want to take. I'm going to physical and mentally abuse if you take it. You come and make.
You go and give it, but you don't want to take it. Oh, God. God help Daddy.
So glad you come, baby. I swear, I didn't even weaken it. You know, things
I
are
told me
weakening,
just
I
give
come.
up your room early and sit because I told me I want the next rain come catch me.
So what? Why? You just surprise me so by popping up.
No. You know, so if you just come anytime.
Anyways, I'll go up on the road. Zane,
Yeah.
want to spread up your bed, take up them back there. I have some dirty clothes on about. Want to wash them, sweep out the house, wash up plate and rake up yard and cook some food when I come back.
Tibi, me I want to do so much sitting. No.
Excuse me. Then brother, she just come and give her so much work to do.
You see how that's why I don't want to you. You know say I was send her back up to your work list more.
Put
Hey.
her mother too.
Girl, me did tell her say I never want to you know. You want to come here and try running my life, you know, girl. No.
But if you share your work,
Girl.
she just come.
She just come me backside.
She not gonna just come, miss?
Yeah.
What your name?
Tia.
Yo,
Yeah, just
go
come.
one side, go one side. Go one side.
Just not like your truth, I like me.
Go one side.
Tibi, me never bargain for this, you know.
You listen to him.
Me never bargain for come here so for come do so much sitting. You tell me say a princess treatment me I go get.
Baby, you really? I give me so much joking I want. Well, anyway, get to work.
Me just come here, you want me do so much sitting.
Yeah, come up on the road. Remember to wipe off the floor good.
Take up on myself. The man say I'm gonna give me princess treatment. He's gonna treat me good. I'm bad anyway. I'm bad anyway. Me not even sleep on bed and me I feel prayed up bed.
You alright, yeah?
Me not alright.
Go on, Phil.
Imagine, right? Me meet your brother good while now, about a month now, and we are talking on phone. And the man tell me, say, I'm going to treat me good, I'm going to this, I'm going to that. Me just move, come here, and he want me to clean up place.
Don't listen to Tibia, so Tibia stay. Tibia go work out you. You go do every Jesus thing. He might come in drunk and he might cuss you. If you don't do anything, he'll broke loose and he might beat you. And so Tibia tiny.
No.
No.
My TB were nice to me on phone.
That's
He not
on
even
phone.
want mosquito bite me. Me not believe that.
I know mosquito go and bite
Yeah.
that belt go and bite you with him.
No. Stop purge propaganda upon your brother. Stop it. Me not believe say TB go beat me. No, girl. Right now, me I have to go tie up this place. Like, you don't know anything about woman duty, but
You and Tibia, see when you start doing the things then don't come to me, because remember me did one. God out there so.
TB. I'm able to you tired right now, making can't do this. TB.
Like how things are run.
Oh boy, mommy.
Come in, let's see me call you spiritually. You good?
I need to tell you something. Me know say yesterday me talk to him, say to you say must come out for me and David business. But me still jumping out again in the evening with enough self. So mommy, please, for the love of God, mommy. You see, for me and him relationship, you can't pay that no man. I saw we show one that love. I mean, my own relationship, if you keep on telling things in our head, probably start listening to you and get out of control.
Me, I got ruin for you and every relationship. Like,
Yes.
say you not do a good enough job of that already.
Mommy,
Hey, like, say you not do a good enough job of that already.
mommy, me and my relationship perfect.
Me
Me
no
fine,
know.
him a teddy
How
beating
me
them.
I don't understand.
But
Such
mommy-
a nice boy. Me no under that me can't know. Me know your head gone already, you know. Me can't understand how such a nice boy I take your abuse.
Mommy.
No, sir.
All of a
Me know
sudden,
me wouldn't take that.
all of a sudden you start telling everything. Boy, the other pan the road. You know, reason me beat him on the road too. He come on a raising voice off of me like him a man.
And that's him for the
And
and
yeah,
a
boy,
man.
and you
You know
know,
that with
put
him
them
because he's a
something
man. You there with him because he's a woman.
Is that an idiot? That's a robber and puppy show. Robber and idiot, you know.
Who are idiot?
Now you.
Me don't know idiot.
Yeah, what then?
Me don't know idiot.
Yeah, what then, David?
Girl, me a big man, me don't know idiot.
Tap make mommy take things, put in your head and tell you an idiot. Yeah, with you already. You ever thought myself to you? You think me a fridge? We come and open and go in at night time and daytime just come and open. I am not. This is oven. You will get burned in this. You understand me I say? You get what me I say? Cause you and mommy don't have no sense. Move in front of me, man. You come in and talk about you're an idiot. Move in front of me. We come pass fast. Move in front of me now.
Me don't know idiot. Me don't know idiot, I tell her that too.
Move in front of me, Daddy. You hear me to say move, you don't move.
Yo, funny one thing, you know. Funny one thing, look for your mother there.
You're talking about she. You're talking about she. Go and find in front of me.
Hey, no. Excuse me, young man.
We are do.
Come here right now. No. Come stand up right in front of me. In front, next to your woman. Are you probably sure you be?
With what?
Oh boy.
You really a take how she talk to you?
Just for
Me even you not even answer her back. Me not say for lick back or lick her, you know. But you not even answer her back. Oh God, man, no.
Just let me know how to lick him, man, cause he never go on something.
You don't have to lick her, no.
What me can do?
But you can't answer her back, man.
Mommy, you forget
No,
me right there.
sir.
Me look invisible
No,
here. You know answer me?
You have to answer her right.
You know what right turn off you do?
You have to answer her right.
You don't just pop up and move in front of my side. Cause it turn out rubbish.
Well,
It
well,
turn
hey.
up and move.
Hey,
Cause me
hey.
go up and sit
Well,
daddy
you
and
are
beat you, you know.
Who are
Pack up,
rubbish?
who for pack up and do what?
Who are
Say
rubbish?
it again.
Who are rubbish?
Who for pack up
Mommy.
and do what in a my yard?
Give him more time.
You think say me is him?
Give him one more time.
I move your foot out of your face one my
Mommy,
Who?
see me foot down here, sir.
Give
This
one
is
more
my
time.
hand.
Come
Stop
on,
that food in my
come
ears.
on, Miss McCallum. Me done tell you already, Miss McCallum.
Give one
I
more
see no
time.
one to sin. I see no one to sin, mommy. I see no one to sin. And you nah make that
Who for
Yeah,
pack up and leave out
Yeah,
of
you
which
feel like
house?
your man. Mommy, soon talk to. Give me a moment, please.
I'll take your foot out of my
Me
face.
soon talk to you. Stop right there, so give me a moment. Me I talk to daddy. I need to show him something. I need to make you something. Talk right
And
there.
don't
son.
disrespect me neither. Come on, I want no
Okay,
hand
mommy.
and fist in my room.
Turn around, mommy. Turn around. Come here, come out of this. Turn around, me show you something. Turn around, me show you something. Jump.
Girl, wait take my for.
Me say jump.
Me say don't
Jump.
jump that in front of me.
Me say jump.
Me not-
You find it off to jump?
Me not jump. What me I jump for?
Me say jump or me thump you down. Jump.
What you want me?
Jump.
Don't do it.
You see that? You see him
You
jump?
really
He have to jump. I see a treat, man. Where take this thing for?
No, that is not good, Kayla.
It is
Me want you're gonna jump subtle. You're
You
gonna
gonna make me
jump
jump?
subtle. Yes, you're gonna make jump.
You thought they ball like y'all could gyal.
Oh God, Kayla, come out. You really make sure you do. Let me tell you something. Abuse can only happen when you take it, you know. She can only treat you so because you give her permission to treat you so.
I don't know what to do.
Let me tell you what to do
How come me
already.
treat him good? Where am I lick my for? I don't know what to do.
Let me tell you what to do already. You're gonna make love turn you in a puppy show, Davy. For real. Lord God, all tears are come out to your eye for real.
Me no know what I do for this service.
It not good. It not good. Me I gonna miss you, you know, but you have to leave.
Yeah, that happened. Me I feel left with you.
You have to
We
leave.
can't take you on your
Because boys, people are going unalive in this. You have to leave.
I throw you at that.
You gonna wait for that.
No, me I go pack up my things.
Your mother and father no grow you and battle with you for that.
If you no left me, I'll let you back. Me have to left.
No, sir. I don't understand this. They want a soft man like him.
Hello, come here. Come here. You know what's the answer on question? You started to see me up the road and me have talk to my man and speak. I look away. I know I make you look for him.
I don't know, I just like how you're hungry.
Oh, what girl? My apology for the way I angle things just because I'm kind of mad in my head, you understand? But it's let her know. It's because you let them know why I left out there. Sometimes you don't want to touch a girl, you have to talk rough to them. You can't stop it. You have to understand, like I remember saying, let me and I said years ago, or probably me older than you, right? But it's a man like them there, like you talk to them rough and tough. I want to rough and tough, you talk to them like a rough and you're tough.
You know why you're hungry, man?
Yeah, man.
One brother, yeah, my woman beat her, but you have a new man now, you know, start abusing it. Oh, but you know more.
Well, me have my man I know, so I could have helped with the brother, but I can't help with the brother because me have my man I know and I love my man and I tell my man relationship until the day come when it's all break up.
So now my man couldn't move out, let you also move let him in.
But this girl you idiot.
I want
Where does I go?
me move out, let him. I am a calm person, I don't go back and forth with nobody. So.
And that's why man take advantage of you because you're too calm. If I ever make dash out him backside, make kick him long time and bat abuse him, you have to come out. You think me have to come out of man? I could have him Billy. Me they take him out of it.
Billy?
But you know no sense, man. You're so stupid. I thought a man can't take me put me in no house.
I'm not stupid, you know, like it fight.
And that people you know. Me too calm and act too stush. Because sometimes people count out for dinner, want to eat and left the bone and left the rice. But when down the yard, on that choppy. And you don't go to your yard now, you're back young. You say, if you carry on the food, you must stop act stush as a man take advantage of you. You understand? If you go groom me properly, if you go treat the car, you want a nice friend, me and my friend.
Yeah, man.
So what's your name?
Tiana.
Oh, my name Kayla, Tiana. We'll make the best friendship ever, right?
Yeah.
I think I want you did one, my man. But I'm not hungry, yo.
No, yeah, man.
Good. Come on, you're going to be ready. Come on.
Yeah, man, no problem.
Message me. Oh God, that nice.
Mommy. I'm come to talk to you. Mommy, like how I've not there, I can explain to you. Mommy, you have to understand. You see when me and David talk come like you know why? Because I say me have to angle you some way. Okay, you know why? Yes, when David look and David see say you can't talk to me certain way, he ain't go take advantage of it. I'm going to talk to like going say you want to talk to me so too. You can't talk to me, you can't talk to me so in front of David.
So, it's not alright for me to reprimand my own child when I want to. But it's alright for you to threaten your mother in front of anybody? Huh?
Mommy,
Let me have a pick up.
it in front of. But mommy, are you are doing it?
Threaten me in front of
Mommy,
what? Threaten me in front of... You see next
making
time...
me a black thing can't take me for a little girl. I'm not a little girl, I'm a big woman, I have to act strong, mommy. I just say, please stop coming here with argument. I come to apologize. Please, I say we are arguing, don't come in here. If you come here, mommy, I have to go hug you up too.
Hey! Let me give you plenty chance to hug me up. Miss McCallum.
Mommy, if David says you talk to me certain way, I can't do nothing about it. He ain't going to talk to me so. And I can't make it reach there so. That's why I beg you, please mind your business.
May I tell you?
Why you don't mind your business?
May I tell you? Thank you for apologizing. I accept your apology. But I make you know here and now. If you don't want him, you don't want him.
Who tell you that?
You're sure
Oh,
the
man, me want him. Me treat him how me want to treat him. Me like you when me treat him. Me love the way he stay. And so me want him.
Kayla, you don't want him is a man you want. Eh? Him love you too much. Why you not allow him? Why you not allow him and make him find happiness? You don't realize you abuse him.
Mommy, you know
Physical abuse, mental abuse, spiritual abuse.
And I alone I complain about him now, complain about it.
Can I love you too much? And it's because me love me I try to tell you.
Mommy, for the love of God, please don't mind your business because...
Well, for the love of God, don't do it in front of me then.
Lock your eye.
In a me one yard?
Yeah,
in a one yard, me must lock my eye.
You ever they come and talk off your mouth, talk. He said, me I'm talk. I mean, talk to him rough. And you come and talk to me certain way. I mean, I have to shut up. He go busy, you can chat to me, so I have to shut up. You can't want to do that.
Well, make we make a deal. Since we can't come to an agreement with this, you not agree with me and me not agree with you, we make a deal, right? Yes or no? Don't do the foolishness in front of me.
Shut your eye.
Don't do the foolishness in front of me. I make you know, say, any foolishness in front of me, I gotta stop. So if you don't want me in your business, don't do the foolishness in front of me.
Mommy, you're just too enough. That is the point.
Well,
that is the biggest point
oh
overall.
God.
You're too enough.
Hush. What you call me? Mommy. Mommy, if I call you my daughter, so hush. If me miserable, hush.
When I see me in a relationship, don't come in here because they will get hurt. Because me not make sure you talk to me like me and my size, you know. Because for the other day, since you talk to him, I talk to me certain way, I don't like
which
it.
is good because what
you
is good for the grease is good for the gander.
You know, see how wicked, mommy?
Now you know how it feels. You don't like it when him do it to you. You don't like it when him do it to you.
You know, see how wicked, mommy? Look into it. The more time we talk like a man, the more me lick him down. And you know what good for him.
Don't do it in front of me.
Stop telling him to do things. Because the things that make him get backs down and lip down.
Hey. Yeah, let make me sweat with the foolishness you chat to me. But you're a big girl, me can't tell you how to live your life. All me I gonna say, me not gonna stop with the. If you not stop with the foolishness, then don't do it in front of me, please.
What a day when I push you down.
Hey, me want to see that day.
You love say, hey.
Yes, come on, want to see the day, Miss McCallum.
Remember said,
see
Daddy used to beat you. I used to when Daddy used to beat you, I told you want to beat you.
Yeah,
Daddy get out of hand.
Yeah, Daddy know.
Yes.
You grow body.
You
grow body.
Yes.
Yeah, my Daddy know.
Yes.
All right, me want to see Miss McCallum.
Side business.
Me not accept your apology again. Cause you obviously never mean it. Go on. Don't spoil me. Sure.
Gente, eu me queria good food and I come so there and find a job.
Girl, what your problem? No, tell me what your problem. Every time you see me, you act for me.
No.
Are you me there with or your brother? Come out of my business, girl. Come out of my business. That is not the point of you asking me a question. If you see me sit down, you have a problem. Eh?
So you sit down here, your job somewhere?
You never have your hand in your jar yet?
You don't look
Eh?
so good.
A cramp to put my hand in my jar?
No.
So why the problem? Where the question me for? Allow me out, girl. Allow me out.
Okay, man.
I'm sick and tired of you now, man. Every single time.
I am man, if you tell you I was supposed to start beat you.
You don't worry about that. And my man, make him beat me. Make him do what I want to do. Anything you say, Allah.
La.
Oh, I want to learn talking out of some of our nafa. Come, go.
Jesus.
But Jesus what? But Jesus what?
So as I talk, she move. So I
So
control
she don't have
the
to
thing.
move.
Rascal. But they get the remote.
That's why I never do want to do that. That's why I never.
So me say
You know,
wrong.
so never pack your bag and send it up tomorrow, though.
Remember my name keep on the wheel.
Oh. You go analyze your backside then.
They can analyze you.
What's up?
Hello.
Yeah.
Hi. Come here now. Look how it's so hot.
Mr. Call back here. Hi.
How are you doing?
Nice.
Oh, you look so. You don't look alright.
I'm a good man. What do you mean by me not look alright?
Oh, your face just look make up. I don't know if I vex or too you and try and hot plant or what. You don't look alright.
But just not really in a them mood day today. But what you saying?
Oh, I just tell me and tell us you look so nice. Your father. I tell me and tell us you look so nice.
Thanks.
So yeah, you have somebody who give good treatment.
Me have somebody, yeah. Me know one relationship, one nice relationship.
You might treat you good.
Yeah, my treat no good.
You know look so.
What you mean by no look so?
Because your face no look like you get good treatment.
What you mean by my face no like me I get good treatment? What that supposed to mean?
It means say you know walk and smile, you walk and make up your face, so I don't really understand if all is well.
And me tell us that all is well, right? All is well.
So you and him good then.
Yeah.
So you know want better.
I know some no want better. But me and my man good. We good.
Yeah, I understand that. But me I say sometimes you can't settle for good and you know get what's best for you.
I feel like too much lyrics, you know. That video. Where really come over here so far now? Where you want?
You know say I don't want your number. Firstly. Maybe one day. Secondly if you reach the best.
You do your so.
Me not do nothing.
How many have me, David?
No man, I'm a sister this one.
Talk about sister, I don't know about that. You're a sister?
No, remember say you don't know what I'm a family, you know.
Who this? You come with a talk with woman, Yawa.
What do you mean? Me so I can't chat to nobody again.
So close up to her.
Me and him not grow together. What do you mean so close to her?
If you and I go together, but I know.
Sis,
But I know about it.
Sis, let's go chat to you later, here.
Oh, sis, come here, girl. I'm a man, you really a tech girl. Girl, I really
What's going on? Kayla, where we going?
Mommy, when you reach us,
What?
you see that talk.
Me come and say my mate, stretch my foot. And the spirit really send me this way. Where you grape up the people, them pick me for a walk.
Sister, no, man.
Cause the girl out there take man and she ma come tell me about sister like me a idiot. Me look like me a idiot. Me like me a fool.
So it's not bad enough you abuse him, you go abuse somebody else, picnic.
I love for me property this, for me man this. You know, get that in your head, mommy.
No, sir.
Girl, have to change your ways, them, you know.
Are you the panic? We would have chat back to me. And we are trying to share me. Shut up your mouth when I hear me talk. You know, chat back. You come back and come talk with y'all.
You know who she be?
It look like my business. Oh, she be, mommy.
No,
Me not talk to you yesterday.
you know, sir.
Me not talk
yes,
to you.
me remember
How much
you
time
talk
me
to me.
talk to you?
Alright,
I ever make him get beaten either.
alright.
Where you dip on the roadside? Where you dip on the roadside? Oh, she.
Me not
Oh,
hear what, me
shit.
remember what you say, me gone. Don't stand up today.
Give me 1 moment. 1 minute. 1 minute. Hold on. Alright, mommy. Hold on.
Sorry, boy.
Hey. Why you don't encourage me to not beat him? Why you not do that now?
Me remember what we talked about. If you not remember, me remember. You not tell me to come out to your business.
Yeah,
And
me
me
tell
tell you,
that.
me tell you, say, me not like you do it in front of me. So you not gonna stop. Love him no. Love him.
At the right time, I'm whap him. Because looking up on the road, I give me a hand with the woman.
You know who she be? She could be in boss. She could be in cousin. She could be in family.
David don't work. Remember, I said David don't work. You're stupid. David don't work.
Remember who
David
I
just
talk to?
I mean, I
You know,
I don't
sir.
know where I contact.
Me remember what you say.
If it take
I
one way,
remember, so you not remember. So before you do something me not like and me class it as a this, me gone.
I mean, I'm going to thump it on your thing. Alright.
Cry, little girl. So wait there. How should I deal with yourself? Your man or your boy?
Pretty lady, you know, say, I just show him, tell him, me used to have one alcohol problem and I drink a lot. I'm coming and beat him, wicked. So right now I feel like I just revenge him and me no want to put my hand back on him because I know say if I do it, I'll bust up in his face. All the while I'm going to talk my heart, you know. Yo, just give me a number, please.
Yeah, alright, take my hand. Hurry up.
You call her here.
Alright.
Yes, I tell her sister, I'm going to see you later then.
Just tell that boy your sister.
What do you mean, not a lie?
So, I think the big girl there want me fat body girl there want to my body. Me no sexy enough. What you look on her for?
First thing, for your body bigger than a female, I'm showing you say that.
Oh!
You
No,
should-
you're
you should-
talking.
you should-
Take it come from the roadside with her.
Because you don't understand, see, I'm my sister, I can't chat to my family them.
David,
You want to lock me up, not
David.
like one bird.
remember me know your family and top 10 video. That is not your sister.
So I'm more than.
You still a tell lie boy. You still a tell lie boy. Your sister there, your sister boy. Come on. We are good on the road. Come on.
I'm my sister, my cousin.
Walk on, man. You want like you don't want to come.
You sound hot.
Walk, man. Walk, brother. Walk. Come on. Go up in the yard.
What happened?
No happen. Go up in the yard and see something happen. Go up in the yard.
And what happened?
Go up in the yard. You get me ignorant. Go up in the yard till me come back. Go on, girl.
Go on, mama.
Are you man this?
No. You know, see if you're my
You
brother.
bright thing, girl. How she fit be my woman?
Hello, take time and talk to me. Oh, how are you? Where are you?
Name Tibi.
Oh, me, I'm so like I want jealous me.
They know must.
You look nice too. Are you ready with you? Yeah. Calm. Alright, remember say to call me.
Yes,
Calm.
girl.
Me have something to talk to you about. Call me about the situation.
Alright.
How you know her from?
Around the road, me and her meet. I'm a good friend, man.
Oh.
All of them say them must love you. Well, I'm sure for me. I forgot him. Alright, you come on.
Love it.
Go on. Let me tell you, say electricity bill is dear now. And that's still. Hold on. So if you could have sent one piece of money, mine is still. And you know, things tough now. You know, you can do it every day, but you know. Alright, respect.
Ooh, yeah, talk to me.
Talk to me. Who me talk to?
Yes, we see if I can go time to go come in up on phone.
Somebody said they must send more money.
Who has your money? Woman? Oh,
Send the one I'm
so
not.
you know when you talk to no woman, you don't talk to no man. Cause man with you, woman, you hear me I say?
Alright.
Ah, we are the one you wanna chat to woman, you remember about that? Yeah, give me one.
No, brother.
Why you do that? Me not enough for you.
Of course.
So why you wanna give me be a problem?
No, man, no.
Why you can't tell in the yard? We prefer to chat in the yard.
No, man, just cool, man. I know.
Why you can't stay in the
I
home?
know, like that. Just chill.
How about then?
I just try, man. I try.
We are try.
Just I try to be alright.
So what do you make you try be alright?
Sometimes I feel frustrated.
We feel frustrated about.
You know, sometimes I feel like I'm not doing enough. And come on,
Tell in the yard and leave it. Yeah.
You there? It's again.
Yeah, do.
You really still abuse him?
Okay. Attack me like you. Me abuse you? Me abuse you? Talk up, make she hear. Me abuse you?
What is?
Talk up, make she hear, no man.
no, me not get abused.
So what
Okay.
make you feel the king so hot?
You ever say I get abused, so me I give abuse, make you see.
no. Him shake him head, no, it's not abuse. He know what it is, but him don't know what it is.
Did you know it was just... Why you tell me about that? Come, you don't love me?
Yeah, of course.
Call up me then.
What?
Call me up, man. Call up your woman. Tell her, baby. You love me?
Of course, no.
Okay, make sure. Me I go in.
Alright,
Later, mother.
Miss McCallum. So really, my son-in-law. No, sir, I can't even call you son-in-law no more. Cause I don't tell you what to do already. And you still tell me I take me. My daughter-in-law, me call you now.
No, I'm not. Me try left. Sometimes I wonder if I time or something. Because no matter how I try, I can't left. And I know saying alright.
You jump when she gone. Every morning she love go a road. You know, jump, you know, pack things and put it under the bed, put it in the wardrobe so she not see the bag pack. Eh? And when she gone a road, because she love road that you can't go on.
Yeah.
When she gone a road, you know, hit the road. Me give you money the other day, you still have it?
Yeah, but did you want to look at thing out there? You buy one here.
Hey! Me fi start lick you too. You think me work my hard earned money? Huh? And I have it like that, you know?
No.
I have to try to help you.
No, man,
And you take it, give she right back.
And I will like me give you. I just want to look up a month and I will like me give you.
You know how hair expensive? That money could have take you further. She there west, you're supposed to reach out east. No go around the corner and next district and next town. Come out of go up about 5 parish clear. At least 5 parish clear out to the way.
I truth you thought, man. I truth. I don't know what I go do. I know what I do, but I don't know how I go do it.
You have to man up. Grow up here and man up.
Well, last time I try man up and you lick me son me and me hard. Me come raise my voice and tell me say me and man and you pick switch off on me hard. What me fi do?
That's why on a man When you use a little head thing for a big head, I must see your little head make you Tanya. I take this. Alright, let me tell you what to do. Don't answer her back. You see what she wants? She wants you to be yes, Kayla. And that she wants. So you give her that. Make she lower her guard and think say yes, she train you. And as soon as she goes the road, run the brass way. Put your foot in your hand and make it take off.
Alright, that's what you got done for trouble.
You don't want the beating no more. So you appease her. She said jump. You say, Kayla, how high you want me to jump? And you jump so.
Jump.
And impress her. So she not lick you no more.
Alright.
Because you don't know which lick gonna be the unalive lick.
Alright.
And when she feel good, the more she feel good, is the more she going go up on the road and bossy because she broke you now. She broke you in, so she don't need to check how you so. And then you just lift off, you have your bag ready, you have your money ready. Make sure you don't give her no more. Tell her say you go give her and make up excuse. You must know how to make excuse.
Yeah.
No make weekend catch you, yeah, David. Me gonna miss you, but why? You know what to do.
Alright. I know what to do.
Girl, what you know what? You must have walk on my yard, no? So you can't walk. Call her, her man.
David,
What one sis?
come on then.
Let's try good news. Here bad news are going down with. What one?
Hello, TV. Remember me meet up on the road? Me have something to tell you. Because you fancy they know a girl and him. Come on, something. You fancy they know a girl named Tia. I want a little piece of whoring girl that give up on me 3 man he have. Me just catch him on the road, you know?
3 man.
Yes, 3 man one time. See if you pack him up and put him out.
That not add up.
Give
Me not feel like.
Ask your sister.
Remember I know true. Remember I know when we come from down the side there.
That's the other day.
4.
Yesterday.
Yes.
4 man he have.
The two mix up at the same time.
I
The two mix up and like that side never want to come
But your
here.
sister tell you truth. Tibi, listen to me, Tibi. Me must say you're king, you're general. Man,
You don't say all if I lie. I won't believe it though.
I chew me the talk.
I say true, I want dumpling me there with me tired.
You're tired of dash a little roll dumpling and take up something better.
Yeah, no,
Take up some.
I know.
So yeah.
Yeah, a macaroni.
Yeah.
Me no yeah, me no so tough.
You don't know something.
So you don't say I put out that girl.
Put her out.
Put out dumpling.
Put out dumpling.
Right now, me I go for your
Yes, me a go me yard. Me must fi. Later.
You later, girl.
Yeah.
So things you know say she have to talk to like a good girl, right?
Good girl.
You know about her background.
So how do you know say she a good girl?
You know about her background.
So want to my woman a good
Your
girl.
woman a cheat for you. So we never just sit up and tell like you know, looking at it.
Bro, I teach you something about life. Them say love is blind. So how you see that say she a cheat for me?
Me see man a go
Yeah, you're supposed to be blind because your sister and then say love is blind because you
no,
have
if
to.
she a cheat for you, I go tell you. And the next one if you talk to her, she have to talk.
If I cheat, because he make me change bed
And
too
you got
often.
him no.
Yeah, and he make me change bed too often, man. Come on. You fat smarty sour girl, come. Let me please.
So what me do?
You really have to say after me love you and show you so much love to you. Me say I have 3 man I wrote plus 1 to make 4.
Me?
No, me.
Me not have no man with your TB. Where you hear that
Yeah,
from?
you don't say you're wicked and lie. Tia. I know me and you. Come left me place. Sorry, over, I finished. Me can't buy.
TB, me not have nowhere to go. You can't just put me
Here
on
from
some.
good source. Me know. Yo, come, left me place.
TB, me not have nowhere to go. You make me give up my place, you know. And me not have no man. Me not know where you get the story there
Roadside
from.
big enough. Can't sleep anyway. Come here.
TB,
Roadside big enough.
you really have put me on TB.
Go on. Fat swat is so hard. Yo, after me love the girl, my brother, and the girl just a cheat on the whole place. 3 man, 4 man. So. Action.
So girl, so it work?
Yeah, he work of course. Better push him out.
Good. Cause a long time.
I saw that go
So,
there. Come on.
no. It's about ugly and so no. Remember saying like when time come along, and when if you moving, I must have to start paying me.
Yeah, pay your money if you moving. Later.
No, I'm not moving so quick. Me I go for me. I go look for my man.
Look what your man.
Yeah, if you say man, no.
Oh. Oh, my next part a problem too.
My man is not no problem. We just have to watch him and beat him. I don't beat him from man. If you go link him and link him, but all this crap.
Watch out.
Sister,
Wait right there. Tiana.
Tiana,
Yes.
you better put me out and I have nowhere to go.
Me know.
What you mean by you know?
Me know I put you out before you even know I put you out.
How?
Mama, talk to her here.
My girl, take your man and argument done. Me take your man. Simple as that. You didn't a long paragraph with her.
No,
You tell us I'm taking man.
What you mean by you take me man?
You
Me
don't
not
understand what's
understand
why
that.
take him man.
You can't manage him. Me will manage him for you. Find another man.
So you really mash up my life, girl?
Yes. Yes.
What me ever do in a life?
Me
What me
know if I
ever
want about the money flare up on me, but me a torment every day.
Girl, you pay me again.
At least me not go torment every day.
Pay me again. And money me they get. Money me I go get for
You
do
don't
this.
really do me this and me not have nowhere to go, Tiana.
Yeah, I forgot.
Sleep on the roadside, my girl. Come and chat to people.
Watch out. Look from down there so to up there. The biggest bed this. Not even furniture store. Not have it.
So front of me, man, you talk about man left. If you're glad say man left you. I pay me again, you know.
Go on man a long time to come out and bread house. You know, serve no per post. I look conflicts done. And bread and the money to buy.
Oh, you know, this the girl and that me stand up and me stand up with beat your brother, not this the girl.
She diss me. One.
Out of order.
Right.
But anyways, girl. Start out your business where you start out all of that.
Mama, make sure me teach you over there, you know. And you're not done, you know. Oh, talk.
You're so embarrassed.
The girl don't have me teach you, not him buy, and me buy. And then he might cost me off and he might use my
Girl,
things.
you say you're shame the girl enough. You say shame the girl. Anyhow you ever that pay me, me dash in a ditch. That me I tell you now, me. My son for this man and this woman, you come at this girl in front of
Oh
me.
God, you get one man you can hang and you do this. You see how I'm my friend?
Yeah, friend man, now this girl so. What you talk about my business? You talk right.
Girl,
But the girl don't complete.
You're a man, go start with a man. Right.
Tiana, you look so sad.
So what?
You look so sad. What's wrong?
Me just lost. Me don't know where me I go. Me don't know what me I gonna do. Me just lost right now.
Talk to me. What is the problem?
My boyfriend put me out. I mean, I have no, like, literally, I mean, I have nowhere to go.
So I'm making you do that. How you do?
If me did do something, then me would feel so. Like, honestly, me would feel so. Me think me have this perfect relation. You know, perfect, you know, but me mean like, me feel say everything did alright. Me think the man happy with me. He just come in and tell me say, if you come out and place can hear so me have 3 to 4 man and this and that. Which part of me can take 3 to 4 man?
God, no. Boy, that rough man. So
That's not even a problem. You know say me come on the road, right down the road down there so. Me see 2 girls stand up. One of the girl and my sister-in-law. The next girl now, I don't know who she be. So she take me man. One tall maga string bean girl. You understand what I say? I can't tell me say she a take my man.
I'm all a girl, I'm a witch, man. Oh, God, man. You know, say a bad man, a tree of fluffy.
Me say me can know and 3 years those short and picky. One picky head girl where they call Kayla. So she a take my money now make him put me out of the down now if we go.
Mama. What your name?
Kayla.
I need tall and slim.
Yes, and she have one mole somewhere right there so.
I can't that Kayla. Kayla.
You know what me I gonna do? You know?
Hold on. Tell me the truth. You hear and twist up. You hear and twist up. Not true. You hear cane or something like
It twist up
Jesus
and cut
Christ.
up so and
Jesus
some let
Christ,
go
Jesus
so.
Christ, Jesus Christ.
How are you know?
Ah, that Kayla really got road go do.
You know?
Yes, me know Kayla.
How are you, sister?
You sure say Kayla take your man? You sure say Kayla?
You remember the girl?
The day when me and just beat at that girl like,
Jesus.
tell me for that girl. Tell me say somebody different.
Never see smoke without fire. When we could have do the girl there? And she same one.
Oh God man, yo. And you take your man, so you know if they in the orange just assist.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Why, Davy? All the time you stand up for you. Huh?
What you mean stand up for me? What happened now?
No make it. You gotta stand out on the road and take woman and Kayla can pass any minute. And that makes you beat you know.
Let me tell you something.
Huh?
Pause the whole world and listen to me and say, if you ever know what me hear say Kayla do, tell him who take your man and run you out of your yard.
Taylor.
For your daughter where beat me. And because of
Take
you,
your man.
and because of you, me not lick him back. For your Kayla.
Hey, are that really gone? She really do that?
I pass me see this beautiful young lady I pass and I cry. And him a this scared person I get to find out say Kayla.
Well, all I can tell you, no business and no business. If a she you want, wanna kinda look nice together. But be careful. And you're probably better off because if me know my daughter, ask him, if me know my daughter, your ex-boyfriend are gonna get what coming to him. I'm gonna get what the dog gets. I'm in a business with the two, no. I'm in a business with you and Kayla if she come. Try to make she catch you.
Catch you man, Kayla.
Good
Done
luck.
with Kayla. I want to see man this him too. So that I tell me the truth. Right now I deserve better than that. I want to show that for crying. So come here, just sit down and talk to him. Go chat. Boy, Kayla want dirty girl for that. I tell you the truth. You not deserve all that. Just you not deserve this. Don't worry about it. Stop your balling, man.
I don't know where we go.
Stop your balling, man. You not deserve this. Everything will alright.
I don't know.
Everything will go alright. Don't worry about it. Sorry, man. Everything will go alright.
Hey, girl! Jump into the man, take my man.
I want to open this. No!
TikTok! TikTok! Two girls fight over me.
Daddy!
Yeah, jealous me, a bad boy.
Oh, wait, I do. Turn on the phone. Home yourself. Turn your own by yourself. Tell you say you're not bad to somebody.
Man, I'm bad somebody.
You're a girl clown.
I'm a girl
I
clown.
love my woman.
I love my woman. My woman is a bad girl.
Put on that boy and go to your yard. You find front of me, girl, for me kick you over. No, man. Maybe the rest I take people, man. Big like.
I'm gonna have to come and tidy up the room. Get a little energy. Wait. I'm hungry, dog.
Mommy.
Where you come from?
You must have a new one, man. I find a new man. I'm going to think I go settle down with, but that don't mean I'm left Davy still, you know. Davy is still my man. Work, mommy. Me I multiply up. Me I work. Get a job.
You get a proper paid job.
Me get a job for there with that man, mommy. What's your problem?
Oh, Jesus.
And because I'm a good talent, let me get that job there.
Jaja. Oh, God, me sorry. I repent, ja. I repent. A whore me bringing in the world. A whore, me, a whore. Me really bringing in the world, Arias. You turn whore. You turn Jezebel. Walk, man. So you get the next one for beat up.
Me and a whore. We are call me.
You know what a whore is?
Right. You want to father call me whore?
Lower your voice. I lower your. Keep yourself. Keep yourself.
Hello.
Keep yourself.
You're afraid of you?
Show me.
afraid of you?
Show me.
Show
me.
Whore. Everybody people whore more you. And one time my man see underneath me.
Yeah.
And the reason I get it again
And
because
that's
he
why
want
you
this.
beat him, because you don't get no sort out. And you're
Because he want
lonely.
this. Me give it and he tired quick.
So you get next man to beat out. Next man for beat out. A real whore. The definition of whore is a woman who sleep with man for money and there with man for money.
That's me. I
What
sleep
you
with
there
man for
next
money.
man for?
You
And the
couldn't
same,
find
and the same man me here is to broke up me mash up another girl relationship.
Who tell her that?
Hmm?
Who tell her that?
Me your name Tinker Road, my girl.
Who tell her
Your name Tinker Fausia Road.
No, mommy, tell me who tell her that.
Me no business. Me no business in a
What
whore
every day?
cockfight here.
What every day?
Me look like me say me and woman. I know your man. I know your
But I
client.
love him.
I know your client. Go look for take your hand off me before me box you down. Go look for your client. Look a whore girl. Lord, I can only repent and say sorry. I don't know where she come from. She not make me sick today, you know. Me have too much to do. Oh, sir. Never ending. As me do stuff, everything have to come back to me again.
Right.
Where you are go with bag? A present you bring for me.
No, me I go away. Alright?
Go away. No one talk to you anyway.
You want to talk to me?
Me here say you still there with the brown man. I mean I like it, you know. You find next target. So him you gonna meet.
Mommy, let me explain something to you, mommy. I don't find an ex man. But till I say I work. Me get a job and me I do my job. Me don't love him. I want to love him and me just meet him a day. Me don't love him. Me and him is talking.
You still so hold on. You finally let David go.
Yeah, man. David is still my man. Me still want him. We deaf life when I left. I don't mean understand with our parents. Everything on here road, on run with it. I say if I go road and they see what I road say, me a breed. You run with it and go buy pregnancy test. I understand say I want the best thing, but maybe make decision of by myself, by my own. Maybe make my own choices them.
Yes.
Stop help me make them. Because if tomorrow morning me turn millionaire, you go and say yeah. And me help her turn millionaire. You get enough credit already if you push me out, you don't need no more. Make me grow by myself. Make me grow by myself, man. Yes.
Nobody like you.
So
Okay.
me and David still there. We're not left in. No, where we get that from. But
Okay.
they go probably a 2 months or 1 week
work.
work.
Out.
Yeah, he there. I'm fling out, man.
Alright.
So go train him properly. I get a job so me I
Alright.
go work.
Go work. Be
Bye-bye.
safe.
Yes.
I
Later.
just remember say me tell you, know, what goes around comes around.
Mommy later.
Remember say me will tell you sir I told you. Aye, where this your girl come from?
Yeah, give me one next chance.
Yeah, me will give you next chance, David. So me in a left? You take me in a left? Because say what I'm fat can't see you. What that look like to you? What that mean to you? It means that me and you don't left. We're not left in. You look, it's never hassid, me hassid you.
I said,
You know what? You know what monkey glue? You know what monkey glue is?
no.
They said hassid when me a chat about. You because never that me give you. Me still there when I left. I work me I go.
What kind of work? We never see our work.
Me get a new job. But anyway.
Wait, you don't look like work clothes.
Never go to one thing I had. Me going to work.
What time I come back?
Stop questioning me not coming back anytime soon. Me going on a contract work. Me will call a little more on the phone. Me to see your answer. On video call me I call up on too. Go on up in the yard.
Yeah, true. I look up at me and you know, so I'm a big man. Your mother tell me, say me a big man.
Timmy!
Yeah.
Come here, man. Yes, we pack up and reach.
Rather wait and see baby. I'm gonna wait for you how long you know.
Okay, wait for me.
Remember saying nothing put out. No one of
How
the
long do we put out? This is a real proper candidate thing at the house.
yeah. Two bowl can roll one pencil. One is a fuck.
How she a go? She a come. She a come, she a go.
So, let me say somebody I want to do.
Good evening.
No evening time, because my evening can't good.
To be me, I call the phone and you not answer me.
When me the answer you for, you know see her. And first thing first, you don't want to left me out because my woman not like this girl one and so other woman a pop up on me heart.
Tibi, just listen what me say now. Please, me I beg you one next chance to take me in, but me not have nowhere to go. Me not get no room yet.
Hurry up, make she move the man, hurry up.
Yo, my woman not tolerate that.
Tibi, don't do that. Alright, here what? Something me come from. Me leave.
Tibi, make the girl go on now.
Go on, what?
Me don't like what she
Me
did.
leave me lotion.
Go on, buy another lotion.
Tibi, I really say you're
Yo,
treating me.
left me out. My woman not like that, left me out.
You know say you gonna live for regret
woman
this,
not like
Tibi.
that. Yo, left me out, no bad man. Where you come here, though? Left me out, man. She fall. So you are deal with that now.
No, put me back. I need to sit there now.
Yo, you want to do that now.
Yeah.
Hey, girl, I'm telling you this. I'm putting that bag right. So, I feel like to me run out my woman. You feel like say you come rule my head. I want to sweep up your son. No!
Who you chat to?
You will soon say who you chat to.
I mean, I really chat to.
Sweep up the place.
Hey boy, me tell you this now. I know how you treat woman. You don't treat woman like woman and waste trash. And you don't go sweep up this. Your bride. You think I see this? One less. Sweep up the yard. Ma, go take back my bag. Go take back my bag. Your bride. May I take this thing, my boy?
So me love you, me can't go and say no.
Here it is.
So me love you.
I'm here going go and go lie down and you sweep up the place. Properly too.
You all raise a voice off of me too, you know. Me tell her till.
Hey boy, what you licking in your face?
So me
No
can't.
ramp with me now. No ramp with me because my head no right. But you come back and give me tough chat.
You know,
Right, me go and pull on my bag and come back. That me I tell you too. And mind how you chat to me in this. Face.
I'm sorry, run out to come and take up the car after pussy class.
Yes. Like how you clean up the place. You see, it's not hard for learn. Easy to learn. You know, thank you. Supervisor too. Go supervisor. Supervisor too. You want to see the place right.
Baby, that's what me love when me can't treat me say, you know. Me a king and you a queen, you know.
Yeah, so that's why you sweep up the place. I mean, lie down. Listen to me. You can't treat woman like say woman are trash. Woman is not trash.
When Fluffy used to there, Fluffy used to have to sweep, wash, cook, clean and everything.
Me and no fluffy. Me a macaroni. Me now wash, cook, nor clean. And you do that.
Yo.
Me a queen, I shall lie down in the bed.
You know say alright.
I shall lie down in the sand and lie down in the sand and relax.
Me
Move
not
the
say
buckle,
that.
man. Sweep the buckle. Yeah, me like you don't want to clean the place.
Yo, no come raise a voice off of me, no. Me tell her that, you know. Cause Fluffy couldn't raise his voice off of me in one place.
And how much am I to say this is not fluffy? Sweep up the place and they're going to give me. You don't pay any, boy. Give me this. Go don't pay any. Go don't pay any, boy. Come back and talk in with girls. You know what I mean? Who don't pay any? Put up a two of them in a year. Apologize.
I am sorry, Kayla.
No, I am sorry, princess.
I am sorry, princess.
I will never do it again.
I will never do it again.
I will wash, cook, and clean.
I will wash, cook and clean.
And cherish you.
And cherish you.
Me, I'm going in. Don't move on this until me wake up. Me, I'm going to sleep. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. You hear? Yes.
Yes, princess.
Alright. Relax.
Me know me need to go fix them, my brother. Me know me need to for you.
What do you mean by that?
Let me tell you how. Hello, you doing?
Ma, you girl, like you don't know my name. My name Kayla. What time to tell her my name?
Alright, Kayla, ma, you do something for me.
What that?
I go pay you though.
Oh, you
Ma,
have to pay me.
Ma, you teach my brother a lesson. Like how you da deal with the man up there so there.
My man?
Yeah. Someone you teach my brother, cause he go on like him a king, he want go on like him rough up woman and thing.
Oh, so you pay me for abuse your
So me
brother?
pay for abuse him like you like him, and but you're not gonna deal with him for years.
So I don't want your brother, I have my man, I want my
Right.
man.
So me go pay you for do all of that. Just teach him a lesson.
So all I have to do is just, but you don't have a man, you have a man, nobody there, yeah.
You woman for fool too. Cause woman sit down and not take you whole like.
Well,
And him a dog up you man and he no like, he no nice. So me make you teach him a lesson.
well, what I can do is that, what I can, you may forget rid of that woman, you know.
Yeah man, no problem.
But I can't tell if you want one, but I can't too long, you know.
You can't stand for 1 week and tell you say you get one coffee with your mother or something.
Me not turn long because I have my man and I have to watch him and we do things. So anyways, we link up tomorrow or when I in there we link
So
up.
just text me how much me for paying and everything.
Okay, I don't want for money. I'm not charge you for money because I know your girl, I'm not charge you for money, I'm your friend.
Alright,
And
mama.
I beat it to you. I don't want for money, you hear?
Alright.
Oh boy, that little one.
Boy, enjoy your life, my brother. I can go back up on me, man.